In this video, I'm going to teach you how to log into PostFinance Online. So you can use your login to the yellow card reader if you cannot use your smartphone to log in. So in order to do this, we have in here this article that can help us. Now head over to the eFinance and click on login and enter your eFinance number or username as well as the password. The actual website is postfinance.ch and you can head over and click on next. You can next insert your PostFinance card into the card reader and then the display shows input. So input right there the actual option or display. Enter your eFinance code into the card reader itself and onto the login page a number will be displayed. Just enter that to the card reader and press OK. After that, enter the PIN for your card. You will see PIN plus OK and once you're done, head over and click on login. The card reader will display the digit code as well as the 7 to 9 number in the eFinance code from card reader. You can now log in and you should be good to go. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you.